Talk about your school. I study at Trôi Secondary School, which is a big school in my town. The school has many classrooms, a library, and a large playground. The teachers are friendly, and the students are very nice. I like my school because I can learn many interesting subjects, like English and math. I feel happy to go to school every day. Where do you study? I study at Trôi Secondary School. Do you study at Trôi Secondary School? Yes, I do. Do I study at Trôi Secondary School? No, you don't. I do. Who studies at Trôi Secondary School? I do. Do you study at a primary school? No, I study at a secondary school. Do you study at home? No, I study at school. What is the name of your school? Trôi Secondary School. Is Trôi Secondary School big? Yes, it is. Is it small? No, it's big. Is it a big school in your village? No, it's in my town. Where is the big school? It's in my town. Is Trôi a big or small school? It's a big school. Is the school in the city? No, it's in my town. Do you like the big school in your town? Yes, I do. What does the school have? It has many classrooms, a library, and a large playground. Does the school have a library? Yes, it does. Does the school have only one classroom? No, it has many classrooms. Is there a playground in the school? Yes, there is. Do you think the playground is small? No, it's large. Does your school have a swimming pool? No, it has a playground, not a pool. Do you like the school library? Yes, I do. Are the teachers friendly? Yes, they are. Are the students nice? Yes, they're very nice. Are the teachers mean? No, they're friendly. Are you a teacher or a student? I'm a student. Who is friendly in your school? The teachers are friendly. Are you happy with your classmates? Yes, they are nice. Do you like the students at your school? Yes, I do. Do you like your school? Yes, I do. Why do you like your school? Because I can learn many interesting subjects. Can you learn English at your school? Yes, I can. Can you learn boring subjects? No, I learn interesting subjects. Do I like your school? No, I like my school. What subjects do you like? I like English and math. Do you learn history at your school? No, I learn English and math. How do you feel about school? I feel happy. Do you feel sad to go to school? No, I feel happy. Do you go to school every day? Yes, I do. Do I feel happy to go to school? No, you don't. I do. Why do you feel happy? Because I like going to school. Do you enjoy school? Yes, I enjoy it. Are you happy when you stay home? No, I'm happy when I go to school.